everyone. This is Joan of Art with my friends. And we're here. Welcome once again to our Ilonggo tutorial channel. We're here again at Mambukal for our weekly hot spring dip. So this is hot spring. We are here to relax. This is our weekly activity. We were here last week. A week is semana. So if it's a weekly activity, semanal. Semanal nga hilikoton. That's too deep. Semanal nga aktibidades, but it's too Spanish. But yes, for conversational Ilonggo, that's what we use. That's seminal, sorry. Semanal.
Seminal.
Yeah. Sorry for the slip. Semanal nga aktibidades. So this is our weekly activity. Semana meaning week. So this is now a weekend. Anong weekend sa Ilonggo?
Sabado-Domingo.
Gani man. Gani. So we don't have a word to describe collectively what a weekend is. We just call it Sabado-Domingo. Like, what are you doing weekends? Maano ka Sabado-Domingo? So that's Saturday, Sunday. What are you doing Saturday, Sundays? That's semanal. While we were here, I was thinking of a word to discuss, but I can't remember because I'm too relaxed right now. So, kanami nasa pamatsyag, nagapanumdom ko. So, I'm trying to recall or think about the content for the vlog. So, nagapanumdom ko. Panumdom meaning to ponder, to think about it. So, that's panumdom. So, when you're thinking about someone, nagapanumdom ako sa iya. Iya is it's a pronoun meaning him or her. So there's no gender, but iya is a third person. No gender pertaining to him or her. Gapanumdom ako sa iya. I'm thinking of her, thinking of him. But if I'm thinking of a topic, like content, what to say for this video, nagapanumdom, that's also it. And also nagapaminsar, I'm thinking about it. Pensar, from the word pensar, Spanish still. Pensar, so thinking about it. So planning also, nagaplano. Nagaplano. A deeper Ilonggo would be nagabuko. But it sounds more sinister. Ano ang ginabuko? May ginabuko. So if you say may ginabuko, like it's more sinister, like dark intention. So what are you thinking of? What are you thinking about? Ano ang ginapaminsar mo? Ano ang ginapanumdom mo? Are you thinking of me? Ginapanumdom mo ko. Ginapanumdom ta ka. I'm thinking of you. So it's dumdom. The root word is dumdom, meaning to remember or to think about. And ginapanumdom. It's a continuing verb. So that's it for tonight. I still have a lot of videos to edit, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching and see you soon. Bye for now.